Hey kids, let us learn some alphabets today. Let us start with the letter A. A for alligator. A is for alligator. Alligator. B is for banana. B is for banana. Banana. C is for candle. Candle. C is for candle. Then we have D. D is for door. Door. D is for door. E is for egg. Egg. E is for egg. F is for fish. Fish. F is for fish. G is for goat. Goat. G is for goat. Goat. G is for goat. H is for horse. Horse. H is for horse. Horse. I is for insect. Insect. I is for insect. Insect. J is for jam. Jam. K is for king. King. K is for king. L is for lion. Lion. M is for mango. Mango. M is for mango. Mango. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for nest. Nest. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P is for penguin. Penguin. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. Queen. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S is for sun. Sun. S is for sun. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. V is for violin. Violin. W is for worm. Worm. W is for worm. Worm. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z is for zebra. Zebra. There you go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you later.